Need a van, need a van. Call your vans, need a van, need a van. Call your vans.
Today we're going to be showing you how to connect your iPhone/Android or any mobile device up to your Citroen Dispatch 2019 plate. It's really straightforward, really simple, and it makes you to take the office on the go with you. It's a really cool feature that the Dispatch includes. So first off, we're going to go to our iPhone settings here, and we're going to click the Bluetooth on. And as you'll notice at the bottom it should say Citroen, so we've got Citroen there. So we're just going to click the Citroen button here. And we'll give that a couple of minutes to load. Fantastic. So now it's loaded up and it's asked us to pair. And as you see on your system, it will say iPhone wants to connect to the system. So we'll press accept first on a dispatch, and then we'll press pair on the actual iPhone itself. We'll press yes to confirm the code. Press the allow the contacts to sync. Fantastic. And we can see there that it is all connected and ready to go. And what this allows you, it allows you to take calls on the go, takes the office with you, makes it really simple and easy to get about your job on a day-to-day basis.
Call your vans, need a van. Call your vans.